Okay, we got a 2024-25 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to show you where the cabin filter is and how to pull it out. So we're going to go over to the glove box, open it up. Inside here you have a damper. You're going to need to disconnect it by pulling it. Inside the glove box, there's actually a stopper here and a stopper here that stops the glove box from falling down. We just push it, get it around it, pull it down on both sides. It'll allow us to lower the glove box down. And once we have it down, this is where the filter is located. Go on the right side here, pinch these guys, and then you can take this door off. Okay. Notice it says airflow down with the filter. This car's pretty new, so this filter is going to be pretty new. Grab it, pull it out. This one's got some leaves in it. Shake it out, get your new one, put it back in here, slide it back in, make sure the air flows down. If you need a filter, there'll be a link down in the description box where you can get one. Just takes you to Amazon. Put the left side in first, snap it together like this. All you gotta do is close the glove box like that. Snap this back on, you're all done.